Alright, Gibson SG, bridge pickup, neck pickup. Both volume are at 0. Toggle switch is in the treble position. No volume. Got volume. Switch over to middle position. Switch to rhythm. I still have this down at 0, neck pickup, but they're still getting. Open up neck pickup volume. And turn the volume down to 0 on the neck, and still getting a signal. I'm thinking it is the toggle switch because it just has no click to it anymore, you know? Almost feels worn out, especially when you go into the rhythm. So just some advice. Thanks, guys.